Hello everyone, so welcome to the second session. So in previous session we have just logged into Facebook. So in this session we'll try to write a Facebook post. So this was the code for login. So to write a Facebook post we need this session. This is my required section. So for this I need to get this one. So for this we have to inspect this element. So you can see here it is written create post. So the easy way is simply go and find right here create post. Create post. So you can see here the class is 5qtp. So I will simply use this class. So after login I have to wait for few seconds. So for that I will import from time. I will import sleep and I will import time. So after login I will sleep for few seconds. Suppose I am giving 3 seconds. Now I have to select this area. This area. For that let me keep that variable as a post area and I will simply find with the help of driver dot find elements by class name, and class name was, you can see here the class name was 5qtp. So I will simply use that one underscore 5qtp. Now I need to select this one, so I will simply click. So post area not area dot click, so it will get selected. So after selecting this area I have to activate this one. So you can see here cursor is not blinking. So if I select here the cursor start gets blinking. So I want to activate this area. So for that we'll simply use here sleep for selecting that area. Few seconds. Now I will select that area. So activate, suppose I am giving a variable active post area equal to driver dot switch to active element. We simply use this one, and after this we will, when this area is selected, we have to send our required message, the things which we want to post on the Facebook. So suppose I am giving message like suppose hello programmer. Now we are done with the message. Now I want to post. So for this, suppose I am giving it hi, I want to select this button. So for this let us inspect this one. So this is the button class here. So we'll try to solve this with the two example. First with taking this button and one with the taking this class. So let me show you with first approach. So the first approach is I will take post button equal to find elements by tag name, and tag name will be my button. So you can see here the tag is button. So there will be lots of button, so I will simply use which button? We cut this one. I will simply use this post button. So there will be lots of buttons, so I will simply iterate for button in post button, and let me show you how many buttons are there. Simply print button.text. It will show you total button, and but I am much interested in post button, so I will simply check if button.text equal to post. If it is equal to post, I will simply click that button. I'll simply click that button. So we are done with the message and creating this post. Let me run this code. So you can see here email ID and password and login button is clicked. Now I have logged in my Facebook account. So you can see here, that's why I have given a 3-second delay. Now you can see here this area got selected. Now message will be written after 3 seconds. Okay, something is wrong. So let us go and see here. Okay, you can see here it is written here web object is not callable. Okay, dot send keys. So this was missing. Now let us again run this code. So ID password got logged in. So few delay of 3 seconds. Let me block this one. Now you can see here the area got selected. Okay, again something is wrong. Let us go and see here. Oh, so you can see here I have written keys twice. No issue. Now everything is okay. Now let us run the final run. Hopefully. Okay, got logged in. Let me block this one. Now you can see the area got selected. Now hello program, the message got written over there. After a delay of 3 seconds, it should be posting, but it is not working. So something is still wrong. So you can see here, okay, it is showing that wave element object is not callable. So instead of element, I have to write elements. So you used to get lot of things while executing the program. So no issue. Let us run one more time. I think hopefully this is the final run. Now I got logged into my account. Let us block this one. Now the area got selected. Message got written over there. Okay, you can see here the message got posted just now. So let me delete this one. So we are done with the So you can see here I have written over here print button next. So you can see here there are few buttons like likes, views, post, claim credit. This is for promotional thing. So we are much interested in this post button. So whenever I have got this post equal to this text equal to post, so I have just clicked the post button. Now let us try to execute with another way. Suppose I've written a hi. Let me inspect this one. That button you can see here the class. Select one more time. Sorry, delete this one. We have to inspect this element, this post button. So you can see here the button class is this one. So let us copy that and try to execute with another method. Let me comment this out. So let me paste what I have. Okay, this is the copied thing. Now I will simply call suppose button equal to driver dot find element by a new thing called find element by CSS selector, and I will give this the selected item over here. And to fulfill this gap we have to give dot, this is the CSS property. So just bear with me for a few seconds. Selected the last one. Now we are done with the button. We'll simply again click this button. So hopefully this also works. So let us run this code. So you can see here email ID and logged in. You have to block that notification. Now you can see here the area got selected, message got written over there. Now that button is not working. Something mistake is there. Let us go and see there. So you can see here I say no such elements, unable to locate element. Something is wrong. Maybe we have missed something. Okay, we have missed the dot for the first element. There are few silly mistakes. So let us execute one more time. So okay, I got logged in. Again, you have to block that notification. Now you can see here the area got selected, message got written. Okay, it got posted. So you can see here this method is also working. Let me delete this. Okay, this is also working. So this was a simple method to just write a Facebook post. So if you like this video and if you have got something, please do feel free to post in my comment section. And if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.